This very short instructional video will show you how to use the bookmark for the Edmund Campion Missal. Anyone who's watching this video is probably familiar with the fact that for small books that have a lot of page turns, ribbons are good. For instance, the Liber Usualis is a small book and has a lot of page turns and has thousands of pages. So ribbons work well for that. But for this, which is a 6x9 book, a large book, which has no page turns, ribbons don't work well. And they end up having a lot of bad results from using them. So since this book is a larger book and has no page turns, you can actually navigate the whole thing with one bookmark, and here's how you do it. It's necessary for you to know what feast it is. So it's the Feast of the Ascension of the Lord. You take your bookmark and you stick it in the Ascension of the Lord. You come back to Mass, let's say it's a low Mass, so you're praying the low Mass, prayers at the foot of the altar, and you pray all these different prayers. And then when it gets time to the part where you read the introit, you put your thumb here on the book and you quickly just turn and read the introit, since the introit's very short. And then when you're done reading the introit, you just turn back. Okay, there's no need to move the bookmark because it's so short. Now you have some longer prayers. For example, for the Feast of the Ascension, the epistle is very long. So I would take the bookmark, move it over to the ordinary of the Mass, and then you can read your epistle, which, as you can see, is very long. And the Gospel is very long. So you wouldn't want to keep your thumb there, you just want to move the bookmark. So then when you're reading those, when you're finished reading the long prayers, you just put the bookmark right back. Okay? Continue on reading the Mass, and then you have a couple other short prayers. I think, for example, for the offertory, you keep your thumb here, you turn to the offertory, you read it, it's only one sentence long, and then you turn right back. Okay? Now, two other things. Sometimes when you're doing if you're reading the solemn Mass, for example, you might want to sing along with the chants. So it is necessary for you to know which Mass they're singing. Are they singing Mass 1, Mass 2, Mass 3, Mass 4, Mass 5? So for instance, if it's Mass, let's say it's Mass 3, which is almost never done, but it's very beautiful. You have to turn like this. See, they're all numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. See, 7. You have to turn to Mass 3, and you can sing along. Now the Kyrie, you sing the entire Kyrie, and immediately afterwards you sing the entire Gloria. So there's no page turning. There's no need to mark anything with a ribbon or a bookmark, because you just simply turn to 3. You can count 1, 2, 3. You turn to it and you sing it and you're done. Because the next time you have to sing anything would be the Sanctus and the Agnus Dei, which are not for a very long time during the Mass. So that would mean when you're actually reading the Mass, whether you're reading solemn Mass, for instance, then when it comes time to sing the Agnus Dei, which a lot of people have it memorized, but if you don't have it memorized, then you quickly remember, okay, we're singing Mass 3. So you quickly turn to Mass 3, which, since they're numerically ordered, takes about less than 3 seconds, as you just saw, and you sing the Agnus Dei. But there's no need to put a whole bunch of different bookmarks. Same thing, for example, with the exit hymn. See, most Latin Masses have a hymn after the Mass. So that's going to be up on a board in front of the church, or they're going to announce it. So there's no reason to mark the hymn that you're going to sing after Mass, because, like I say, they're either going to announce it, so you just turn to it, 908, 909, whatever it is, or it's on the board. And so that's basically an overhaul how to use this book, and hopefully some people find it helpful. Thank you.